we've got a gorgeous 61 Corvette. There's a lot more than meets the eye. There's a lot of upgrades underneath this car. I'm going to tell you about in a second. It's really a shame the sun just disappeared because this color is gorgeous. They did have a factory color like this. This one's been tweaked a little bit. It looks like wet candy. It is slick. I've been around the car. I don't see any cracking or damage. It's beautiful. All the chrome, all the trim, I mean all of it is restored to like new condition. Now they're making these custom Corvettes that we're selling at Barrett-Jackson auction for $250,000 to $350,000, and they're slammed down, got the big wheels and custom leather seats. If you want all the modern technology, but you want it to still look the original, if you like the classic look, this is the car. And you never find them done like this car. This has air conditioning, power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes. It has a little bit more modern Corvette 350 motor in here. It's got, I don't know if I just said power windows. The Wonderbar radio is converted to a stereo. It's stock, but it's got some fantastic upgraded features. Another feature, big white wall tires, but they're on radials. The radial BF Goodrich tires, looks like they're new. They still have the little nubs there. Hubcaps are mint. The rim is painted like the car. It's gorgeous. Now they had big steering wheels in these cars because you didn't have power steering. It wasn't even available. You need that big wheel for leverage. They were able to put the smaller wheel. It's the same look, it's just smaller. The nice thing about that, you can get in and out of the car a lot easier. It's one of the problems with the original. Get right in here. There's new cushions in the seat. Not only are they reupholstered, but they feel like a new car. All the gauges work.
Yeah, who's this?
Now this has the Wonderbar radio.
And
they converted it to FM. So it's got new electronics inside of it.
I'm okay with that. I'm down.
Air conditioning system.
Okay. Oh, man,
Some vents neatly installed under the dash, barely noticeable. They used the factory controls. So they did such a careful job of installing and upgrading everything so it still looks stock. The speakers are molded into the kick panels. They didn't just cut a hole and stuff them in there. They bought kick panels that are molded for the speakers.
That number going for sure. Which league fun show?
Has a white convertible top. It's like new. So up front, you got an improved radiator with an electric fan, keeps it running cool. Said heat and air conditioning system is all brand new technology. This is a Corvette motor, but it's a 350, which replaced the 283. So it's got 100 more horsepower than the original. Electronic ignition, more reliable. If you can show the power brakes here, they didn't offer power steering or power brakes back then. This has power brakes, and it's disc at all four wheels, not just the front. Alternator replaced the original generator. So again, this car is filled with improvements, but it has the original classic look. And honestly, you never see them that way. I don't know why more guys don't build them like this car. They're either all completely custom or they're stock. I think this was an awesome find. Someone will be real happy with this car. Hey, the sun came out. You can see how beautiful this car really is. It's almost a weird feeling having power steering in one of these cars. I'm not used to that. Stereo sounds great.